Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Aries Placements. This is your general and love reading ngayong April. Okay, hanggang mid. Okay, mid-April. So, yeah. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga items, so yeah, just message me. Okay? So, yung items natin, protection from evil eye. Okay, so meron tayong ring. Okay, meron tayong tawag dyan, bracelets. So, dalawa. Ang pakita ko ha, kasi ang tagal ko na ulit na hindi na ipakita to. Oo, per zodiac. So, dalawa. Isang adjustable, isang garterized. So, yung adjustable is available in red string. So, ito po yung may initial ha. Okay? So, made with love. O, diba? Oo naman. Handmade with love. Oo. So, and yeah, yung ating necklace. So, si necklace is ganito. Okay. Ganyan. This is unisex, by the way. Okay? And, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Pwede naman kayong gumamit ng ibang chain kung gusto. Pero, importante lang doon is yung pendant. Okay? So, next is our love bracelet. So, ito si love bracelet. So, kahit anong connection, okay? Kung anong connection meron ka, basta related sa love. Okay, situationship, yan, mga ganyan, yan. Pwede sa'yo to. If you're single, yes, pwede sa'yo to. Okay? So, kung meron kang connection na napakadaming conflict, ang daming issue, ang daming drama, yes, ito yung pwede para sa'yo. Okay? Kasi siya yung magpo-provide ng para may ma-fix, para may mai-alis, para may, alam mo na, mabigyan ng, sabihin natin, peace of mind yung connection. Okay? And yung ating, okay, granter necklace. So, si granter, yung taga-grant ng mga minamanifest and taga-pagbigay ng surprises. Okay, I have angel number for you, 222. Okay, sa mga nakikinig, oo. I have angel number 222 for you. Okay, so, tingnan nyo lang sa Google. Anyway, so, yeah, again, si granter is unisex. Excuse me. This is hypoallergenic, non-tarnish, and 20 inches long yung chain. Okay, yung ating palang ring is adjustable, by the way. Okay, so, yeah, yung atin namang pang cord cutting. So, si cord cutting is pagkakat ng mga energies na nakakonect pa rin sa'yo. Kaya, minsan, hindi na maganda yung iyong sitwasyon. Hindi pala minsan, madalas. Okay? So, pagkagising mo palang drain ka na. Like that. Mga ganong bagay. So, yeah. Kung may mga tanong pa, message na lang po. Okay, so let's start the reading. This is for hanggang mid-April. So, Aries placements, what's for you? In general. In general. So, kahit aking makita, ating babasahin. Okay? For Aries placements, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. What's for Aries placements? Hanggang mid-April. Okay, Hanged Man in reversed. Page of Cups. Oh, being open. Pagdating sa mga bagay na gugustuhin. Okay? Somebody will reach out. A water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? Meron ako nakikita rito may mga tatanggap ng commitments. Ang tawag dyan? May mga tatanggap ng sabihin nating appreciation. Okay? So, yeah. I don't know kung bakit. Meron din mga natatanggap ng compliments. May mga mag-express kasi ng emosyon sa'yo. Page of Swords. What's with that? That's a stalker energy. Eight of Cups. Kung sino man tong malayo sa'yo, ini-stalk ka. Tingnan natin anong meron dito sa 8 of Cups. Anong meron diyan sa 8 of Cups? The Star. Oh! So, ang nakikita ko dito, Aries, no? Para kang head turner. Okay, head turner, andyan yung parang apple of the eye ka, parang nasa iyo yung spotlight, something like that. So, nandyan yung parang sabihin nating maraming parang, yun nga, sabi ko sa'yo, may mag-appreciate sa'yo, may mga hahanga sa'yo. I don't know if you're working online or kung ikaw itong content creator, something like that. May mga may mga magbibigay ng, sabihin nating, appreciation, offer if ever, mga ganyan. Okay? Pero yeah, some of you, ikaw kasi itong parang nakikita, napapanood, I don't know. Okay? So, yeah, you're like a star for them. So, it's, sabihin nating halo-halo yung energy na nandito. No? So, may negative, may positive na tingin sa'yo yung mga tao. Okay? Yeah. Ganoon naman talaga whenever you're upgrading or sabihin nating nagiging okay if ever. No? So, some of you, your ex is wondering kung ikaw ba ay naka-move on na, if you're healing na, parang ganyan. Okay? So, what else for Aries? Hanggang mid-April. The Two of Wands in reversed. The Emperor. Yeah, this is execution. Oo. Meron ako nakikita ditong i-execute. Okay? Like, sisimulan. It could be a business, a hobby, a new hobby. Okay? Bagong ima-manage. Okay? So, yeah. The King of Pentacles in reversed. I don't know if this is talking about kaperahan in general. Pero this is talking about managing. Okay? Ano tong Emperor? The Page of Pentacles, yeah. May mga sisimulan. Pwedeng business, small business. Okay? Yeah, the Empress. I'm seeing here a new connection na pwedeng mangyari. And this is strong. A strong connection na pwedeng mangyari bago maybe mag-end ang April. Pero I'm seeing, yeah, sabi ko nga, hanggang mid-April. Okay? So, merong new connection na paparating and this is strong. Yes. Some of you have mutual friends ng taong to. I'm seeing here planning sa pagkakaroon ng new baby or another baby. Okay, I am seeing here pregnancy for some of you. Progress pagdating sa relasyon, yung iba sa inyo. Yeah, that's general. Merong offer ako nakikita rito. Meron ako nakukuhang proposal. Okay? Yeah, the Eight of Swords in reverse. It's like upgrading from level 1 to level 2. Or level 2 to level 3. Parang ganon. Okay? That's nice though. Yeah. Somebody will be, sabihin nating open. Okay? Will open. Pagdating sa side nila, if ever. Okay? I don't know. Pwedeng may mga ipapakilala, anak, mga ganyan, kapatid, magulang, mga ganyan. Magiging open in general. Okay? So, a lot of people will appreciate you, Aries. Will admire you. Okay, so, medyo may positive and negative doon. Kasi hindi naman lahat. Okay? Matutuwa sa kung anong meron sa'yo. Ang mahalaga lang doon is, gawin mo lang kung anong mga ginagawa mo. Ipagpatuloy mo kung anong mga dapat ipagpatuloy. Okay? So, yeah, that's nice. Yun na akin nakikita for you. Okay? So, next, The person on your mind, Aries. The person on Aries' mind. Sino ba ito? Anong meron? Anong sitwasyon ninyo? Anong sitwasyon nyo ng taong to? Anong situation ninyo? Anong meron sa kanya? Death in reversed. Who could be a Scorpio. The Ten of Cups in reversed. Okay. The Sun. Pinapasaya ka nito, pero pinapaiyak ka rin. Ah, diba? Yeah. Hindi mangyari ang happy ever after sa inyo. Lagi na lang merong endings. Lagi na lang on-off. Some of them, they have family issue. Anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya, Aries? Anong kailangan mong malaman dito sa taong to? The Knight of Cups. You're too in and out, maybe. Or hot and cold. Yeah, the Four of Pentacles. Some of them, sabihin natin hindi ka nito magawang alisin or bitawan. Okay? I don't know, some of you, pwedeng meron kang nabibigay sa kanya. Codependency. Yeah. Four of Wands in reverse. Iba sa inyo, wala kayong sabihin nating label. Walang matatawag na label. Yung iba sa inyo. Pwedeng nagbabalikan lang kayo, parang ganyan, pero hindi natin masabi na kayo ulit. No commitments at all. Okay? So, something like, kaya hindi ka maiwanan nito or hindi ka ma-let go. Sabihin nating may nakukuha rin siya sa'yo, Aries. Let's see their emotion. What's their emotion right now for you? The Ace of Pentacles. Wala silang kayang i-offer dito. Yeah. Ayaw rin nila na may manghihinayang eh. Ayaw rin nilang makakaramdam ng panghihinayang if ever. So that is why. Okay, may chance na kaya hindi ka nito nililet go. Kahit sabihin natin may family sila or what. This is like a third party energy. Okay, kaya hindi ka lang maiwanan kasi may nakukuha sila sa'yo. And I think hindi nila kaya rin na parang ang tawag dyan, makaramdam ng panghinayang if ever. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Cups. Ramdam ng taong to, you're open. The Tower is here. Ang galing ng taong to, Aries. Ang galing. Alam na alam kung paano ka mamanipulahin. Kung paano ka gagamitin. Okay? They're just using you. Page of Cups in reverse. They're just using you. This person is just using you. Apo. So, napakabait mo sa taong to. Alam nila yon. And, yeah, advantage niya na mahal mo siya. Yes. What is their next action? Ngayong April. Okay, hanggang mid-April. Anong kanilang action? May pipiliin na ba? Or kung ano ba action? Tingnan natin. The Five of Pentacles. Wala. Tingnan natin ang tong Five of Pentacles. Wala. Opo. Wala talaga. Tatalikuran niya yung paggawa ng decision dito or pagpili. Kasi ayaw rin niya na may mawawala rin sa kanya. Gusto ng taong to lahat. Lahat, kung sino man yung pwedeng magbigay sa kanya, nandyan lahat para sa kanya. Okay? Takot tong mawalan. Takot itong maubusan. Parang ganun. Yeah, the Lovers in reverse. Wala pa rin eh. Wala pa rin ako nakikita dito sa iba sa inyo. Kung label ang hinihintay mo, wala pa rin. Commitments, wala pa rin. Bakit? Kasi alam nila na ikaw na lang yung gumagawa dito. Alam nila na sabihin nating control ka niya. So, bakit pa ako gagawa? Bakit pa ako e-effort dito? This is one-sided, mga Aries. One-sided connection. Okay? So, hindi pa rin po gagawa ng desisyon tong taong to. Ngayong April hanggang mid-April. Sa pagpili, kung kailangan pumili. Ikikip ka pa rin. Even though they're like hot and cold. Para silang lumubog lumitaw. Parang ganyan. Kasi hindi ka man makakapag-demand dito, some of you, because wala naman kayong commitments at all. Wala naman kayong connection or sabihin nating relasyon. Yeah. Ang hirap nito, mga Aries. Tingnan natin, ano ba ang advice for you / outcome? The Queen of Wands. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng same gender kayo. Yeah. Hindi lahat magre-resonate, okay? So, kunin lang kung anong magre-resonate. Queen of Wands and the Devil. Yeah, this is lost. This is sex-based. Okay, this is obsession. Negative, toxic connection. Okay? Kailangan mong makaalis dito, Aries. And kaya mo yun. Masyado ka lang nalalason ng taong to. Masyado ka lang nalalason. Okay? Dinatnan ka ng taong tong confident ka. Okay? Sa sarili mo, independent ka. So, bakit ngayon? Parang hindi mo kaya gumawa ng desisyon para sa sarili. Ayun ang kailangan mong gawin ngayon. Huwag mong lasunin yung isip mo dahil lang sa mga nakikita, sa mga nasasabi ng taong to sa'yo. Okay? 10 of Swords. Ilan na ba ang nakatarak? Iintayin pa ba natin na dumami pa? Okay? Pabibigatin pa ba natin ang sitwasyon? Pero it's up to you. It's up to you. Hindi kita masisisi. They know you love them. Okay? They know it. Anyway. So there. Yun ang akin nakikita for you. Pagdating sa person. Nakakonect mo. That's specific, I think. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs, Aries through Pisces. For you, Aries. Let's see and let's check. Okay. Okay, Aries. Self-centered. Yeah. Non-committal. Taurus. This is a cycle with the Taurus. Gemini, you're their best option. Cancer, they're waiting for you. Being patient. Leo, they're manipulating you. Gusto nitong Leo na to, nasusundin mo siya. Virgo, okay, there's this decision. Some of you, itong si Virgo is gagawa na ng pagpili. Okay? Libra, some of them, they have money issues. Okay? They're not ready to commit. Scorpio, their back is turned. Some of them. Pero they're still waiting. It's not over for them. Sagittarius, ayaw na nila ng away. Gusto nila makipag-ayos. Yeah. Capricorn, they want a new beginning with you. Aquarius, they love you. Yeah. Pisces, they want your attention. So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Aries placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. And yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa ibaba o nasa description box. Thank you! Bye!